India. At ito pala yung civilization nila noon sa India. Gupta Chola Dynasty, Delhi Sultanate, Abhaya Jagrams, Fire Mughal. Ito pala yung pamumuhay nila noon. Battle of Plassey, parang British Indian Rebellion, yung pag-respect nila. Salt March, Independence Day sa India, Republic Day.